In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently add an employee to QuickBooks, a vital skill for managing your business's payroll with ease. Getting started, you'll need to log into your QuickBooks account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a series of tabs or menus at the top of the screen. Head over to the Employees tab, which will guide you into the section where employee management takes place. Now that you're inside the Employees section, look for the option that says Add an Employee. This step is where the onboarding process begins, as you're about to input crucial details about your new hire into the system. Click this option and a form should appear, ready for you to fill out various fields concerning your employee's information. One of the first fields you'll need to complete is for the employee's name. QuickBooks typically requests the full name, formatted as first name, MI, and last name, where MI stands for middle initial. Be sure that all spelling is correct, because errors in this section could lead to confusion down the line, especially when dealing with payroll or HR management tasks. Next up, there might be sections or fields that QuickBooks highlights, drawing your attention to further details that must be correctly filled out. These highlights serve as reminders to ensure that all the necessary data is entered before proceeding. Depending on your specific needs or the templates in use, highlighted fields could vary, but it's best practice to address them as advised by the software. Moving forward, you'll find a section called Details That When You Hired Employee. This area is essential for recording the employee's start date or any other critical temporal benchmarks. Properly logging these dates plays a vital role in maintaining accurate employment records and computing any applicable benefits or prorated payments, so be careful with the information entered here. Finally, once you've verified all the information for its accuracy and completeness, it's time to save everything. Do this by clicking on Add Employee. This action submits the information, officially adding the new employee to your roster in QuickBooks. Once added, QuickBooks will often automatically handle many of the more repetitive payroll and record-keeping tasks, freeing you from the hassle of manual entries and significantly reducing the chances for human error. As you can see, adding an employee in QuickBooks is a straightforward process once you know where to look and what to fill out. This tool is designed to simplify the complexity of workforce management, streamlining the administration while you focus on growing your business. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to confidently manage your employee data in QuickBooks. Be sure to explore other features within the platform to enhance your operational efficiency. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next tutorial.